Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson here in Happy Kids Learning TV. Today, we will learn about nouns. Nouns are one of the most important parts of English. Don't worry, it's easy and fun. Let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, or thing. Let's say that again. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, or thing. Examples: person, teacher, doctor, mother. Place, school, park, beach. Animal, dog, cat, bird. Thing, book, ball, pencil. All of these words are nouns. Nouns and sentences. Let's look at some simple sentences. The teacher is kind. Teacher is a noun because it names a person. We go to school. School is a noun because it names a place. The dog is running. Dog is a noun because it names an animal. I have a book. Book is a noun because it names a thing. Let's practice. Can you find the noun in these sentences? The cat is sleeping. The noun is cat. My brother plays soccer. The noun is brother. We visit the park. The noun is park. She has a pencil. The noun is pencil. Great job. Remember, a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing. Excellent work today. Now you know what a noun is and how to find nouns in sentences. Try looking around you and name 5 nouns you can see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye.